Computer Science Essentials students. I wanted to keep you updated on what we are doing for the next 3 weeks as we are remote schooling, teaching, learning, etc. First things first, I want to let you know that I miss all of you immensely. I would much rather be in school seeing your beautiful faces every day, and there not to be a global pandemic. That would be nice, but alas, here we are. And for us, the show must go on. We are a Hawkeye concurrent class, so our requirements are just a little bit different than your traditional high school classroom. So while your math class or your English class might be doing some optional activities for engagement, we have some required stuff that we just need to get done. So you all can get awesome Hawkeye college credit. So I'm going to walk through some of those things. This is all in an email. I just thought that you might miss seeing my face and hearing my voice. So I also recorded this, but the information should be in both. So we are going to spend the next 2 weeks finalizing our Python projects. So a couple things need to happen with that. One, if you have a partner, you'll need to find a way to contact them. Everyone should be checking their school email daily, hourly, etc. To stay updated. But if you're just outside of school friends with them, hit them up on Snapchat or whatever kids are on these days. I don't know. But you will want to both find a time to get on Replit and finalize things up, make sure your code is working. There's a chat bubble on Replit, so you guys can chat that way, or you could FaceTime so you can talk to each other, etc. If you are getting stuck on how to communicate with your partner, send me an email and I can reach out and get the two of you connected. If you don't have a partner, that's cool. Just work on Replit on your own. So yeah. We are still going to be doing some feedback. So in the email, there's a form for you to send out to whoever you're getting feedback from. It's a little Google form that they put their name and your name, the coder's name, into it, and then any feedback. And that goes to me, and then I'll push that back out to you so you can see what they've said. That's just a little, hey, you're actually trying to get feedback from people. You'll want to send it to at least one person who will know if it's working correctly. So if you made a chemistry calculator, send it to a chemistry teacher. If you made something for band, send it to one of the band teachers. I can only think of his first name. Anyway, send it to someone who knows if your app is going to work. You might want to tell them when you send them the Replit link to hit the big green run button and to kind of ignore the code and to only focus on the console. If you have more complex instructions than that, you'll want to send that to them so they can work your program. Once you have feedback and you've gotten your code all nice and pretty and beautiful, you will still need to do a presentation with me. We're going to do them on Zoom. You can install that app on the Chrome store. I'll send you a link once we've figured out what times you're going to be available to present. If you are working with a partner, you and your partner both need to be able to present that with me. And then I can assess your work, and it'll be great. Also, speaking of Zoom and that I miss you guys, I do. I miss your faces. I miss hearing you say ridiculous things in my class. So I want to make sure that, one, everyone knows how to use Zoom, but I also just want to see you. So respond to this email that this is being sent out with a day or time that works best for you. If just all afternoons work for you, just say afternoons. If there's a specific time that you can't do, let me know. And we'll try to get as many people together as we can. I know that we probably won't be able to get everyone on one Zoom call. Both my classes, periods 2 and 3. But it would be cool to get as many people together as possible. So that's it for the logistics for the next 2 weeks. I know we still have a third week after that, and I have some stuff planned for HTML. But right now, let's just focus on the Python project, get that done. Ideally, you will have your presentation, everything squared away by next Friday, which is, let me pull up a calendar, the 3rd. So you have all this week, all next week to get your code done, your feedback in, and your presentation squared away. I will be available most times. I'm working on stuff, but my schedule is super flexible. I just have to check with my office mate, Marvin, to make sure that it's okay in his schedule. I'm just kidding. He doesn't have a schedule. He's a cat. So yeah, that's all for requirements for me. If you are bored out of your gosh darn mind and you want code to do because you like to code, I've found some tutorials on how to use Pygame, which is how you make graphics and games with Python. So I linked one in the email. You can check that out if you want other stuff to do. You want to make your own thing. You want help with it. Please just reach out. I want to make sure that you are staying mentally engaged and that you can keep doing cool stuff. I think that's it. Again, make sure you respond to the email that this was sent out in with a time that works for you for Zoom so we can all try to get together, or times that don't work for you, all times except for Wednesday night, whatever, and I'll get you that Zoom link. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any funny memes that are school appropriate, send those to me because I want to see funny things in this time. All right. I'll hopefully see you soon. Peace out.